Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend. Today I found a quote which was very useful. I felt it is very important, and the quote is control your emotions or be consumed by them. This is a situation which comes when you have continuous back-to-back losses, and it becomes really difficult to control emotions. This is what we were also going through last week when we had back-to-back losses, but only those who were able to control their emotions were able to rehab those losses and come back to profit. Okay, so without wasting much time, let us look into today's live trading video. And also just want to give an update that Upstock is providing free account opening plus surprise stock in case if you open within April 19, that is this week. In case if you use the link which I provided in the description of this video to open Upstock, you'll be getting this free account opening plus a surprise stock. Okay, the stock selected was Infy, that is Infosys, and the stock as per our parameter, as per analysis, was giving a very good indication of trend, and that is the decision we took to go for the breakout. Okay, so we wanted to go the breakouts. The target was 4.3, and accordingly initially it is nothing but 0.6% target and 0.4% stop loss, and the quantity comes to 357. And then we are not going to guess the direction of the market, we are only identifying whether it is trending or whether it is ranging, and accordingly we are placing the sell order as well. So 4.3 and 2.8, and the quantity is 357. Okay, so you can see that both orders have been placed, nothing else to be done, and then we just have to wait end of the day and then just see our stock has got executed, and the profit is 1535. And without wasting much time, we just have to enter into our Excel. The stock is Infy 1535. Okay, so you can see that very good 40% returns already in this campaign, and I feel that this campaign is making a lot of justice, and everybody have learnt about it, learned from it how to handle your trading account, even if it is a small account, how to manage your funds, how to do the risk management, how to do the money management and trading discipline. So hope you are all able to grasp it. Hope you are all able to learn it. Any other doubts, any confusion, you can always WhatsApp on my number. And also just wanted to give you an update about my options trading tactics program. It's very beautiful. It's basically for people those who are working, because you just have to spend less than 2 to 3 minutes. To tell you a frank thing, many people those who have joined started asking me, sir, I'm getting bored because there's no adjustments to be done, there's no trading to be done, we are sitting idle. Okay, so that is the beauty of this options tactics. In case if the market does not move, also we'll be making money. In case if the market moves, also we'll be making money, but you don't have to trade daily, just once in a week or might be once in a month. That's it, nothing else. Okay friends, so any other doubts, you can always WhatsApp on my number. Thank you and have a nice day.